Hello, Ma'am, Sir. My name is Mary Grace B. Kingston. I am 45 years old. I am single and we have only 2 siblings in the family and I am the youngest. I've been working in Hong Kong for 12 years. My experience there is taking care of kids, elderly, and pets like dog and cat. I am the one also going to market, cooking, washing their car, and washing the clothes, and helping the kids doing their homework, and also helping the pets for playing, like dog playing, help them to playing the ball. I know also how to cook Chinese food. For example, stir fries, steamed fish, like tomato with minced pork, stir fries with broccoli and pork slice. And also I know how to cook soup, like pork ribs, tomato, and potato, and also the fish soup. I am willing also to learn another different kinds of recipe, Chinese recipe in Western. I am patient, hardworking, and devoted to my work. I love kids, I love elderly, I love dog and cats because I have also pets in the Philippines. I have 3 dogs and 2 cats. And I have my mother. My mother already is 88 years old. I love my mother so much. I was the one who taking care of her. That's why I love elderly. I hope you given me a chance to work with your family. I promise, as long as you treat me as good as you are, I will treat you also as a family as good as you given to me. More than that, I hope you giving me a chance, Ma'am Sir, to work with your family. I will love your kids or elderly or your pet as my family also. Thank you so much. God bless you, Ma'am Sir.